Guys, I've just came home to the most insane package ever. Cool Girl Fridge has sent over their skincare fridge. I have never owned one of these before, but I am so excited. So I thought that we should stock it together. I've put you guys down here so you can see better, but I'm going to start with my Rhode eye patches because I have a lot. I'm just going to put them in the side compartment here. And since my products are a little bit too tall, I'm going to take out this top compartment. So Laneige actually sent over their Water Bank Hyaluronic Exfoliator, so I'm going to put her in. I'm going to put in some primer. Then my favourite hair serum, my Glow Recipe Dew Drops. And finally, my Laneige Skin Milk and a bit of a Kosas spray. And that is how she looks. It's literally the cutest little fridge. And it can even do hot as well, but for this instance, I'm going to do cool. Thank you so much, Cool Girl Fridge, for sending this over. Guys, I could not recommend this more. The most creative way to store your skincare, and I feel like it's going to be really beneficial for my skin.